Hello, viewers. Welcome back again to our channel datascientist.ca and our project under this channel of this smart data learners. So basically, viewers, our today's topic is very interesting that we thought that we should have it on our channel with a dedicated video on this topic. So let's start today's topic. Why learning coding, data analysis, data science is very different now. And I would say that is in a positive way because now it's for everyone. Everyone can learn coding, data analysis, and data science and data related skills, right? Thanks to AI 2025-2026. Learning before AI versus now is like using a paper map in the past versus Google Maps with live guidance. Remember, perhaps we have been traveling and then we have the paper maps for the cities and all that, and we look into the maps and different pages and then find out the roads. But now we have a Google Maps, which where we put the address and it guides us all the way to our destination. So that is the major difference, learning and doing data analysis before and now, thanks to the AI tools like ChatGPT, Grok, and so on. Old way, learning before AI pre to 2022. How learning how learning used to work. So in the past, before 2022, in the recent past, we start learning, read books, long tutorials, try writing code, get errors, search Google or Stack Overflow, read many confusing answers, try fix more errors, feel frustrated, give up, or move very slowly. What this felt like: heavy books and long videos, hours wasted searching, no instant help, learning felt lonely, many beginners quit early. New way, learning with AI, ChatGPT, Grok, and different friends of AI friends. How learning works. Start learning. Ask AI a question. Explain this code simply. Instant explanation plus example. Try code again. Error. Ask AI to fix it. Understand the fix. Build projects faster. What this feels like: 24/7 personal tutor, instant answers, explanations at your level. Learning feels motivation and fun. There's a big difference. Learning feels motivation and fun as compared to hours wasted searching, no instant help. Learning felt lonely, many beginners quit early. So AI is our friend, it's our buddy. So we have to have it with us to learn these. So it will motivate us, right? Example debugging code, old way, error message, copy error, Google search, read 10 answers, none match exactly, guess and retry. New way, error message, paste into AI like ChatGPT, Grok, and so on. Here is why it failed. Here is the fix. Here is how to avoid it next time. Data analysis and data science before versus now. Old way. Learn statistics theory. Try applying in code. Confusing math. Unclear charts. Give up or memorize blindly. New way. Ask AI. Explain this chart. Visual explanation. Step by step logic. Code interpretation. Real understanding. Very true. And why now 2025, 2026 is the best time to learn? Viewers, that sentence, I really love that sentence. Why 2025 and 2026 is the best time to learn? Because this now we have different tutors available. Tutors means AI tools available for learning, which were not available before, and the people learned everything in a hard way, spending so much time and all that, you know. So learning has become very fast. So 2025, 2026 is the best time to learn. Time to skill has collapsed. Before months or years, now days or weeks. What took 2 to 3 years can now be learned in 6 to 12 months. Curiosity to intelligence. You no longer need to be smart at math, right? AI explains concepts simply, break logic step by step, removes intimidation. That is a beautiful part, that it removes intimidation. Asking questions is the real skill now. Most important is learn how to ask questions to uh, ChatGPT, Grok, or AI tools, which is also in other words called prompts. And now everyone has a personal tutor. You can ask, explain like I am 12, explain for interviews, explain visually, give worldwide real world examples. Personalized learning has never existed before. Data science finally makes sense. Charts explained in plain English, business meaning connected to numbers, less memorization, more intuition. Data now tells a story, not just formulas. Remember we if we have the old textbooks where the professors have written complex formulas and they are solving, and we are just looking at these, and then we close these books, right? But now ChatGPT Grok, and other AI tools explained these how these works. Industry expectations have changed. AI does not replace you. Companies want people who can use AI efficiently, understand results, make decisions, explain insights. AI skilled humans are more valuable, not less. Beginners have an advantage. Experienced devs resist AI, stick to old habits. New learners start AI first, learn faster, adopt naturally. This is a rare advantage window. The window is now, right now. AI tools are powerful, hiring demand is high, expectations are still realistic. Soon, standards will rise, early learners will dominate. Essential AI tools 2025-2026. Beginners to intermediate. ChatGPT, best teacher, clear explanations, SQL, Python, data analysis, Claude, long explanations, documentation, clean reasoning, perplexity, AI, research and fact checking, intermediate to advanced, Grok, strong reasoning, math, and data science, GitHub Copilot, real time coding inside IDEs, Power BI Copilot, natural language analytics, DBT plus AI, modern data engineering workflows. Best learners use multiple tools, not just one. Important warning: bad way to use AI. Copy code, run it, no understanding, fail, interview, and real jobs. Smart way: ask for explanation, understand logic, modify code yourself, build build confidence and real skills. Final flow, the new learning formula. AI plus curiosity, faster learning, more practice, better understanding, real skills. Final truth: AI removes confusion, loneliness, slow progress, but mastery still requires thinking, practice, understanding. The best time to learn coding, data analysis, and data science is now. And that is absolutely true. So, viewers, that was basically the today's topic, and we hope you will enjoy that. And this is basically my own personal experience of learning those areas which have been very difficult to learn before. For example, uh, learning coding, some math skills required for uh, data science and other data analysis topics, also statistics, and all these skills have now become more easier to learn than in the past, thanks to the AI, and it will there will be a long way to learn more and more of these technologies and new areas in the data related fields. So viewers, thank you and have a great day. And if you like this topic, please subscribe our channel and like it.